Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to be deep cleaning my mom's 2014 Ford Explorer. Now, it's pretty dirty from me and my friends inside of it, but today I'm going to be vacuuming it, spraying everything down, putting some leather conditioner on the leather, just making it pop a little bit more. Now, for the people who think that I'm using other videos, I am not, and that for the last quick detailing video, that was me. Alright, let's hop right on into this. Okay guys, so what you see me using here is Meguiar's Gold Class 3-in-1 leather cleaner and conditioner. This makes the leather feel really plush, and yeah. Okay, so with the plastic in this car being very clean, I'm just going to wipe it down with a wet microfiber towel, and then with the pink one, dry it off. Alright, so right now what I'm going to be doing is showing you the after shots of the interior, and then I'm going to be pressure washing the car. So yeah, let's get right into the interior results.